show you how to refurbish an outdoor table. We dismantled this table, wood in the middle, held within a metal frame.
Oh, yeah, aluminum.
Aluminum. And
the wood used to be as black as the asphalt. But we did one coat already with the power washer, and now we're doing a second one. We're putting acid on it, so it'll take off the next layer. It'll be a lot lighter in tone, and then we'll stain it. But right next to you over there is the acid. Use a pressure sprayer, and basically you pump it up, take the sprayer, and you spray the acid on.
And what brand acid? I mean, like, what is just called acid? What is this officially called that you're using?
It's like deck wash.
Deck wash. Deck wash acid.
It has like acid in it. It cleans and brightens your deck. But you can use it for tables too. Any wood that's outdoor wood.
And then you just let it sit?
Yep, for 15 minutes.
Okay.
And then you power wash it.
And then power wash it. All right, we'll show you, we'll give it 15 and then we'll show you how to power wash it. 15 minutes and we'll see what the acid, it's already quite a lot lighter.
Yeah.
So the power wash is just getting the acid off and whatever the acid pulled up.
Yeah. So you don't want to do this acid near grass, but this grass at the end of our driveway I want to kill, so it's fine.
Good to know.
If you're going to do a deck above bushes, you should probably water them down so the acid doesn't stick, and then kind of wash them off after.
And spray like away from you so you don't even get it on your legs and stuff, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, it's a mild acid, but yeah.
Okay, we hit the back real fast with the power washer, and here we are. It is night and day. So, are you going to dry it out a little bit, or before you sand it?
Yeah, I'm going to get it dry and then sand it.
Okay. Going to put it in the sun, probably, right?
Yep, and then we stain it.
Sweet.
So it's not rough.
So we're using a 60 grit rough just to smooth it out. That's sanded, that's not. So you can see it's looking really, we're getting down to the really clean, nice wood that we can stain.
That's what I've done so far.
So you're just using a brush and we're just staining. Start at the back, right?
Yep.
And did you let it sit?
Yeah, about an hour. But I got it propped up with wood, so it's not going to touch this.
Ah, that's a good trick. So propping it up with wood is good.
So you don't stick.
Very nice. It's a great color too. And this is so what kind of stain is this that we're using?
This is
it oil based?
Cabot, Australian something, timber oil, something like that. It's their top of the line.
So it's an oil base.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can roll it if you want, but rolling is sloppier. It bleeds all over the place off the roller.
So we're gonna put this coat on and then it's going to sit for another hour.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna assemble the table.
Nice. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, there it is. That looks great. Okay, we're gonna wait an hour. Wow. So being really detail oriented, right? The sides, the edges.
Yep.
The before and after is pretty startling. Look at that. Here's our finished table and chairs. And we scored some really great seat cushions over at Lowe's, so there you are. Thanks for joining me today on Fridays with Flora for this amazing project. And subscribe to the channel, and we'll share lots of other big projects and small projects. And also every other Friday I share a kitchen basic for you foodie newbies out there. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye.